box of select first off the line football. This time for hhsportz. Good luck, good luck. All right, start off with Chris Carson. Numbered 1 of 10. Jumbo gold patch of Miles Boykin. It's a good piece right there. We have a Jerry Rice, Devontae Adams, and Aaron Rodgers on the snapshots. Pack 2. Darrell Henderson, rookie. Joe Mixon, base. TJ Hawkinson, red, white, and blue, number 2, 199. And the Pulsar is Devin White, LSU Tigers. And that is 1 of 11. With an Ezekiel Elliott, base. Next up, Jim Kelly. Oh, we got an XRC. Yes, sir. Come on. Be a quarterback. Be a QB and be autoed. Running back number 4. Running back 4. XRC redemption. Okay. To look at the Mel Kiper's big board there. Devin Singletary. That is number 275. Rookie. We got a Sony Michel number 299 jersey. Patriots. With TJ Hawkinson. We need Mel Kiper's big board up. Next up, Tim Boyle. Rookie. Brett Favre. Tom Brady. He's pretty good at football. Number to 199. We have a Preston Williams autograph, number to 35. That is the white parallel. With a little smiley face on there. P smiley face P. And Marquise Brown. Snapshots. Alright, this should be the patch autograph. Finishing on up. We got another Tom Brady coming at the back. Alright, Kyle Allen. Sean Murphy Bunting. Emmitt Smith. That one is numbered 275. And Jumbo patch autograph. San Francisco 49ers, Deebo Samuel. A very nice rookie campaign. That one is 21 of 23 on the Deebo. We'll finish up with that man, Mr. Tom Brady. And that will round out the box. All right, buddy. Again, appreciate it. If I can get you anything else, just holler at me.